was just saying that what if this isn't what I think it is? Okay, so hey guys, hello 大家好. Just me. I would like to say that I've been waiting for a long time for this, but to be honest, I never thought it could actually happen. So if I'm not mistaken, what's in this box is the title of the video. Are you? Coco, are you excited? Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, I wasn't expecting to get this excited. Put the weapon away. Oh my god. Look, just reading that, I feel accepted. I don't know why. Okay, I'm sorry about this. This is quite surreal. I feel like I'm accepted into the YouTube community right now. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. Oh my god. I know it's just the 100K button, but still. Holy fuck. Shall we just keep it there? Let's just cut there. Thanks, guys. Okay, oh my god, okay, one. Damn. Ready? Hey, watch this one open. You ready? Okay. Oh, this getting get letter. Everybody gets this, don't they? I've read too many of these from other channels. You've just done something very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100K people subscribed to your channel. Wow. Thank you, Susan Wojcicki. I know you say that to all the creators. Okay, moment of truth. Ate! I wasn't expecting to be so ganjang. Oh my god. It's there, it's like a striptease. Oh my god. Do you remember when we were in, I had my little vision board, and I had this, look at that. Oh my god. I didn't think I would cry. This is so stupid. All that editing was worth it. Holy shit. I didn't do well in school, but I did well on YouTube. That's something. Holy shit. That is such a weird feeling. I have one of these. Well, that's awkward. Oh my god, I just came back from work. I look like crap and I'm crying over a fucking silver YouTube play button. Yeah. I didn't overwhelmed. 中文 overwhelmed 係咩？我冇 overwhelmed， 我估唔到自己會咁激動。Wow, let's keep this so the cats don't puke on it. My precious. Mama, no! Mama? It's not your box. Mama? Huh? Oh, well, there you go. Just get your Mama, Mama? Huh? Mama? Remember to subscribe so she can get the 1,000,000 subscriber play button. Thank you, 多謝 to everyone who has subscribed and watched my videos over the past 10 years. I don't know what to say. 應該要講咩嘅呢啲時候? I'll continue making videos to the best of my abilities, and I might be 70 or 80 years old by the time I get 1,000,000 subscribers, but hey, won't that be a video? So yeah. Thanks, guys! Peace! Coco? What to do? It's not your box.